Hello everyone. In the previous lecture, we learned how to execute JavaScript code outside the browser using Node.js. However, it's important to note that there are key differences to keep in mind when writing JavaScript for Node.js and JavaScript for browser. One major difference is that in the browser, we interact with the DOM, the document object model, or DOM is a programming interface for web documents that allows programs to access and manipulate the content and structure of HTML documents. When writing JavaScript for the browser, a significant part of what we are doing is interacting with the DOM or other web platform APIs like cookies. These APIs provide a variety of useful features such as accessing and modifying HTML elements, handling user events, and storing data on the client side. However, in Node.js, these APIs don't exist, and we don't have access to objects like the document or window that are provided by the browser. Instead, Node.js provides its own set of APIs such as the file system module, which allow us to interact with the file system on the server side. Therefore, it's important to keep in mind that when writing JavaScript for Node.js, we won't be able to use the same APIs that we can use in the browser, and we will need to use the appropriate module provided by Node.js to accomplish server-side tasks. Unlike writing JavaScript for the browser, where the developer is at the mercy of the user's browser version, with Node.js, developers have to complete control over the environment. This means that they can write modern JavaScript features that are supported by the version of Node.js they are using. This control over the environment provided by the Node.js makes it easier for developers to write code that is consistent and compatible with the latest features available in modern versions of JavaScript. On the other hand, when writing JavaScript for the browser, developers need to account for the differences in browser versions and the lack of support for modern features in older browsers. For example, if a user is using an older version of Internet Explorer, a developer may need to spend extra time and effort accounting for this by writing code that is compatible with the older browser. This can be time consuming and challenging, particularly for larger and more complex applications. In the first section of this lecture series, we covered Chrome's V8 engine, the JavaScript runtime, and Node.js. We also executed our first Hello World JavaScript program outside the browser and learned about the differences between writing JavaScript for Node.js versus the browser. In the next section, we will go through the Node.js modules. Thank you very much for watching this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more lectures. Thank you.